Images are a great way to make your campaign stand out. You can insert images into your Constant Contact emails from your computer, social media accounts, or choose from a wide selection of stock images. In this short video, we'll show you everything you need to know. There are two ways you can add images to your email. You can edit the placeholder images, or you can drag in your own images directly. If you've already uploaded images, you'll see them listed here. However, you can import a new image by clicking Upload. When it comes to images, you might be wondering about things like DPI, megapixels, etc. But for images in an email, you really don't need to worry about those things. The most important things you need to be mindful of are file size, file type, and image shape. As for file type and size, you can upload PNGs, JPGs, and GIFs. The maximum file size is 10 megabytes, and any image larger than 800 pixels will be compressed and may result in a loss of clarity. As for image shape, horizontal rectangles tend to work best in an email template and on mobile devices. There are a few different ways to upload an image to your account. You can browse for a file on your computer, find it on your social networks, upload from your smartphone, or you can look through our database of free and pro stock images. Let's go over uploading a file from your computer. You can drag and drop files into this area here, or just click the link to browse. Once you find your image, click Upload Files. When it's finished uploading, click Done. Your image is now uploaded and should appear in your list of images. Then, just drag and drop it into your email. The magenta guidelines will show you where the image will go when you drop it. If you dropped it in the wrong place, just click it and drag it to the correct spot. If you need to resize your image, just click the corner and drag to increase or decrease the size. When you click an image in your template, a menu will appear with various options. You can add a URL link, delete the image with the trash can, or align the image accordingly. If you need to change the image, or even make small edits, just click Replace. As for using a placeholder, whether it's one you added to the layout or one that was already there, all you need to do is click on it to change it. And that's how you add images to your email campaigns with Constant Contact.